Hi there. We're here today to give you a market update for Loudoun County for October 2024.
So in October of 24, we had 413 new listings in the entire Loudoun County, which is down 14.8% from last month and up 2.2% from last year at this time.
There were 431 properties that went under contract in October, which is down 5.7% month over month, but up 28.3% year over year.
463 properties in Loudoun County closed in October, which is up 19% from September and also up 36.6% from last year at this time.
The median sales price is $725,000, which is up 2.4% from September and up 9% year over year, October 23.
The average days on market in Loudoun County as a whole was 26.
The average sold to original list price ratio was 99.3%. Now we're going to break down Ashburn 20147 and 20148. Now let's get into 20147.
So in 20147, we had 64 listings, which is down 17.9% from last month and down 4.5% from last year.
80 properties went under contract in 20147, which is down 1.2% month over month and up 60% year over year.
Wow. That's a lot. Yeah. Closed sales, we had 91, which is up 65.5% from September. That's crazy. A lot of properties closed, and up 56.9% from last September.
The median sold price was $672,618, which is up 6.9% month over month, but down 1.1% year over year.
Average days on market in 20147 was 16.
The average sold to original list price was 101.1%. So a little over asking.
Stay tuned. We're going to give you statistics for 20148. So in 20148 in Ashburn, we had 74 new listings in October, which is down 22.1% from September, but up 13.8% from last October.
84 properties went under contract in October, which is up 25.4% month over month and up 64.7% year over year.
That's amazing.
It sure is.
85 properties closed in October, which is up 32.8% from September and also up 46.6% from last year at this time.
The median sold price was $780,000, which is down 8.2% month over month and also down 4.7% year over year.
Average days on market was 22, so properties are sitting a little longer.
And the average sold to original list price was 99.2%, which means they were not getting 100% of their list price. If there's an area that you would like a market update for, please put a note in the comments or reach out to us by email. We'd love to hear from you.
We are the McLoughlin and Sommer team, your trusted realtors in Loudoun County.